Welcome everybody to the Chaotic Force channel. I'm your host Chaotic Monk. If you haven't yet, do subscribe and hit that notification button for more uploaded content. Today we purchased a product from the eBay store and the seller's Gentle Core. I purchased a 14mm f2.8 Rokinon ultra wide manual lens with auto aperture, only for $149. Now here you see I'm unboxing, and this will be pretty quick. Just gonna be looking at the item. I was on this since it was a good deal. This product normally comes around to be like $345. $145, not bad. It has a little scratch on the lens, on the front of the lens. So I will take a picture of that and try to show it here somewhere for a better detail, because you won't be able to see it on here. It's too light. Anyways, here we go on the unboxing. I'm thankful for you guys being here to watch this. I know I like just watching people unbox things, especially new lenses. And I'm not gonna go in very detail about it. I'm just gonna be raw. And yes, so it comes in a nice bag. I'm thankful for Gentle Core for packaging it up nicely. Here you see Rokinon. He even put in a plastic, nice, give that new feel. And like all Rokinon lenses, they're pretty heavy, and I like it. It's a lot of glass and it's a lot of metal too. It has a little bit of plastic here and there. And now here I'm actually checking for the scratch, and it was very hard to find it. I tried to show it to you, but it's hard to focus because this is a fixed lens on my camera, and it's a actual manual lens too, so there's no autofocusing. Anyways, I'm pointing to you where the scratch is located. I would have to show you that pictures, but yes, this is it, the Rokinon 14mm lens. In the end, I'll be showing some examples of the pictures I took with this lens, and really it's all about art, how you see things through the lens. And yeah, I want to challenge myself to try to do portrait shots with this lens, but it's gonna be really hard. I was mostly thinking about taking pictures of cars with this lens, because I've seen a lot of cool looking pictures with cars with the distortion. Anyways, hope you like this video, and thanks again Gentle Core for a good product. And yeah, till next time, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button. Thank you, and also leave a comment. Tell me, what do you think about this? Should I do better? What do I need to add? Bye. Here's some photos.